Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my ASMR YouTube channel. Just kidding, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My brother said I was faking a sexy voice on my last video, so I'm kind of self-conscious on this one, so thank you for that. So I got my hands early on the Bodega Nike Dunk High Legend, thanks to the folks over at Bodega. Stay tuned at the end for a heartfelt thank you. First off, I'm a sucker for good packaging, having a bit of a background in graphic design, and also because it just adds to the unboxing experience and the aspect of storytelling through good design. The sleeve the box is covered with is awesome and matches the red bandana that's included with the shoe, which you guys saw at the beginning of the video on my not so awesome newly learned B-roll shots. I'm also a sucker for stickers, so yeah. Now the shoe does come with 3 different pairs of laces. This rawhide pair, another pair that feels very similar to the rawhide but flat instead of square, and the fabric black one with green tips. I'll probably rock the rawhide myself. Now I wanted to show this postcard that came with the shoe, just because where I'm currently at with this channel and my artistic goals, it holds a lot of value for me. Now, I'm about to do something that's going to make resellers go crazy, so just a heads up right here. So I am a fan of the design and the colors that were picked for this shoe. Not only that, but the materials feel really good to the touch and especially comfortable on foot. The pebble leather, hairy suede, and standard suede, the rawhide lacing, and boot stitching all feel of high quality. The gummed sole outsole is also one of my favorite features, like it was on their New Balance Better Days collab a few months ago, which was one of my favorite shoes this year, if not my favorite. From the different browns, the black, the tan, and the hints of red, and even the tortoiseshell jewel swoosh, it somehow just all comes together really well. The deco stitch resembles Western cowboy boots, and rawhide lacing resembles a baseball glove, which ties in really well with the story Bodega is trying to tell of igniting nostalgia while mixing in some folklore. This secret hiding pouch is great too. It's cool. It's funny. So before I show you guys what it looks like on foot, I wanted to share with you about how I got this pair of shoes. I started sharing my sneaker drawings a few months ago, and 2 of the shoes I've done so far were Bodega collabs. Not only did they reach out, but they shared my drawings, which made my following on Instagram grow like 20%. They've been the only big brand that has done that, or even replied to any DMs for that matter. You see, most brands don't care about you unless you can do something for them, and it was really cool and uplifting to arrive home today and see that they had sent me this pair of shoes for free, asking nothing in return. So yeah, thank you again Bodega, and thank you for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe.